Baking powder is not an organic thing to use around plants, but it do provide some unusual benefits to our plants. So in this video we will see how we can use baking powder for plants safely, what benefit it provides us and some side effects. So keep watching this and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Baking powder is a synthetic white powdery substance, chemically sodium bicarbonate mixed with acid. Baking powder is originally used in baking of bakery items, and generally baking soda and baking powder are confused with one another. So baking soda is pure sodium bicarbonate, while baking powder is made by mixing baking soda in an acid and starch. So baking powder already contains baking soda in it. Baking powder is more safe to use because it's less concentrated than baking soda and have lesser reactivity. In gardening, both can be used, but the safe option is baking powder, which is slightly acidic instead of alkaline like baking soda. Correct use of baking powder is beneficial in many ways. Let's talk about its benefits. Use of baking powder deters the insects and pests. It's very frequently used along with neem oil and liquid soap. It's because insect and pest hate its taste and smell. Baking powder also have antifungal properties. It prevents the rotting of roots and stem, which is very useful. It also have a slightly acidic pH, which is very good for flower producing plants. The flowering go very effortlessly in an acidic medium. Baking powder also conditions the soil, not so effectively, but it do makes the soil less compact. Overall, it's a useful thing, but only if used with great care. So do subscribe to our channel. Now let's know what are some ways we can use to apply baking powder on plants. First of all, you can make a spray using baking powder, adding 1 tablespoon of liquid soap and half tablespoon of baking powder in a liter of water. This makes an insecticidal spray. You can spray this liquid all over your infected plants and the pest will go away. You can also add neem oil in the solution. Neem oil is much more effective than any other homemade solution. So a detailed guide on neem oil is also linked in the description box. You can follow that. Another way to use baking powder is to just sprinkle a pinch of it on the soil surface. Remember, it contains sodium, which results in a salty soil over time, so use in a limit. The crawling insects and fungus won't be able to pass through this baking powder barrier. Another way to use baking powder is to mix it with soil. It's a very mild soil enhancer. Around a pinch of baking powder is enough for a 5-inch pot. Mix well, and now your soil won't get so compact. There are also some pretty amazing and natural ways to solve the compactness of soil. You can watch a video on how to turn clay soil into a soft media from the description box. One way to use baking powder is to take it in a bowl and coat its layer on the seeds. Just a mild layer of baking powder over the seeds will act as a fungicide and they won't be eaten by the fungi under the soil. This improves our germination rate. You can also buy a good quality baking powder from the description box link. Now the most important question is, can we use it on all plants? So ideally it's not recommended to use on any plant, but in small amounts it can be used for tomatoes, peppers and acidic soil loving plants. While don't use on other plants like cacti and succulents, indoor sensitive plants, etc. There are also some serious side effects of baking powder. First one is its salty nature. Baking powder have sodium, and if you kept on using it, the sodium will accumulate in the soil and turn it into a salty soil, and such a white powder over the soil will appear. This is not good for plants. Better not to use it or use very small amount just in case. Another thing is its pH. It's acidic. Using 1 or 2 times won't cause any problem, but regular use can turn the soil very acidic, causing the complete stop of plant growth. So better to be careful. Using in more concentration can cause leaf burnings, and its frequent use can harm the soil microbes. In short, it's not something to be used on regular basis or to depend on. There are a lot of alternatives of baking powder like neem cake, which is organic and have similar effects. Here is a detailed guide on neem cake uses for plants. Feel free to check it out and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.